Hello and welcome to Puzzle Masters product review. Today we will be taking a closer look at the Raya Box number 6. This puzzle was designed by Yavuz Demirhan from Turkey. Difficulty level of the Raya Box number 6 is 8 out of 10 on a Puzzle Masters difficulty scale that runs from 5 to 10. And the goal of the puzzle is to fit all 6 parts inside the frame. But as you can see, the frame has restrictions. There is a acrylic piece on top and you can't use the entire opening. You can use only this small space, which is 2 by 3 voxels. But it is quite tricky since when you put a part inside, it covers only half of the voxel. And that means that the other half makes the opening smaller. And if you add another piece, move it to the right, for example, you will see that this part covers the entire voxel. But if you have no space here, for example, if I try to put another part like this one, I can't put it already because of the first piece. And if you want to add more parts, you will see the opening becomes smaller and smaller, and then there is no space to put this part, and you still have 2 more parts left and plenty of space inside the frame, but you don't know how to put everything inside. This puzzle has 6 parts and they come in pairs. Like there are 2 parts like this, there are 2 parts like this, and there are 2 parts like this. They are exactly the same. And you have to find a way how to put everything inside. This puzzle has a very interesting solution. It takes some time to find it, but the solution is really nice and unique. The Raya Box number 6 is a part of 8 puzzle series, starting from Raya Box number 1 up to Raya Box number 8. Each puzzle has a unique set of parts and frame, and each puzzle has a unique solution. If you like the Raya Box number 6 and you want to buy it, go to puzzlemaster.ca. Thank you for watching. See you next time.